A storm is coming to New York City, so let's replace our wiper blades before they come in. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be replacing the front wiper blades for this 2002 Lexus RX300, and we will be using PIAA silicone wiper blades. Silicone wiper blades last longer than regular traditional wiper blades. Plus, with the PIAA brand, they are still made in Japan. Just take a look. There, as you can see in the bottom of the packaging, made in Japan. Still being made in Japan means that they have high standards and high quality in them. Now, for reference, the wiper sizes for this vehicle is 24-inch for the driver side and 21-inch for the passenger side. Let's start by raising the wiper arm away from the windshield. But before removing the wiper blade, put a thick foam or soft towel on the windshield to protect it from the wiper arm in case we have the wiper blade out and the wiper arm decides to fall back on the windshield with the bare metal and it might scratch the windshield. So let's protect it first, and we'll tape it also because the last time I did this, the wind blew it away. So let's tape our protection on the windshield. Now we can remove the wiper blade. With the wiper blade up, turn the blade 90 degrees so you can access the locking tab at the bottom. Press on the locking tab and push down on the wiper blade, and it should release. There you go. And just for reference, here is the J on the J-type connector. That is why it is called a J-type connector. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the old wiper blade and the new wiper blades. Now with the PIAA wiper blades, you have various adapters just in case your J-type has a different size. So what you're going to do is take one of the adapters, verify on your wiper blade end that it fits. Then once you're sure, you connect it to your new wiper blade and connect it. So let's test this one because I think this is the size that we need. Now to test the adapter, you just have to make sure that when you slide it in, it fits with the wiper arm end. And this one fits, locks in place. Then when you want to release it, you push down on the locking tab and pull it down. So we're going to install this on the new wiper blade. With the adapter confirmed, let's take our new wiper blade. Put it next to the old wiper blade just to confirm the orientation because this has two holes, this has one hole, but we just want to verify that the notch where it's supposed to lock in is the same with the new one. And as you can see, it is lining up, so we'll clip the adapter with the same orientation. Alright, so this is ready to install. Installing the new wiper blade. So we'll slide it from the bottom. Make sure that the orientation of your adapter matches with the J-type connector. Then turn it 90 degrees so that you can see it sliding in. And make sure you hear the click so you know that it locked in position. Alright, it was very faint, but we heard that it locked in. Let's do the same process with the other side. Next, let's raise the passenger side wiper arm. Now, don't forget to move your windshield protection and make sure that it aligns with the end of the wiper arm. So same process, turn 90 degrees, push down on the locking mechanism, then push the whole wiper blade down. Then take it out of the end of the wiper arm. So same process as earlier, make sure that the adapter that you use fits the J-type connector on the wiper arm. But since we're sure that this is the size that we need, we're just gonna skip that part and continue on connecting it on the passenger side wiper blade. So snap it in. Now install the new wiper blade. Next, insert the end of the wiper arm through the wiper blade from the bottom. Slide the wiper blade in, then turn it 90 degrees so we can see that the connector locks in the wiper blade. Now let's remove our windshield protector. But don't put down the wiper arms yet. As they say, wait, there's more. The new wiper blades came with windshield preparation pack, so we'll have to use the windshield preparation pack to clean the windshield. So let's wipe down our windshield first to remove excessive dirt and debris. With the windshield clean, we can now put down the wiper arms. And look how dirty the wipes is. We don't want this going to our new wiper blades.
A few moments later.
And now let's test the new wipers. Alright, it cleans well. We replaced them just in the nick of time. And that is how to replace the wiper blades for this 2002 Lexus RX300 using PIAA silicone wiper blades. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's Jeff, and thank you for watching. And that is how to replace the wiper blades. And that is how to replace the wiper blades for this 2002 Lexus RX300 using PIAA. And that is how to replace the using PIAA for this 2002 Lexus. One more, PIAA. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's RJ. Using PIAA. And that is how to replace the now PIAA silicone wiper blades. Silicone wiper. Silicone wiper. Traditional wiper blades. And we will be using silicone wiper PIAA. Now, being made in Japan means that they are big. Now, for reference, the wiper blade sizes for this vehicle. A storm is coming to New York City, so now let's remove our windshield protector. But don't put down the wiper arms yet. Now, so let's wipe our windshield with our preparation pack to clear it from dirt and debris, excessive dirt and debris. So let's wipe down our windshield first with our So let's wipe down our windshield first to remove the excessive dirt. So let's wipe down our windshield first to remove excessive dirt and debris. So let's wipe down our windshield first to remove excessive dirt. Let's start by raising the wiper arm away from the windshield. But before removing the wiper blade, put a thick foam or a towel. Let's start by raising the wiper arm. Let's start by raising the wiper arm up. Now, before removing the wiper blade, put a thick foam. Now let's start by raising the wiper arm. Next, turn the wiper blade around 180 degrees. Then at the bottom of the wiper blade, you can't see it. Turn the wiper blade 90 degrees. Then at the bottom, there's a locking tab. With the wiper arm up, turn the blade 90 degrees. Now you can access the locking tab. The new wiper blades came with a preparation.